Hello and welcome back to my channel, More Smiles. My name's Moss and I'm making a short series of bite-sized videos specifically about Avios points. Today I want to focus about how to collect and earn Avios points. So before we begin, if you haven't subscribed, if you could do so, that would really be great. It really helped me out. No cost at all in doing so. It's absolutely free. All you have to do is hit subscribe down below. Thank you very much. So let's assume you've registered with British Airways. Their website has a host of various ways where you can collect Avios points. I alluded to this in my previous video, but their shopping portal is absolutely excellent. There's hundreds and hundreds of outlets on there which offer you the opportunity to earn a lot more Avios points than you would normally. For example, anything from Marks and Spencer's to Harrods to Selfridges to Screwfix to Uber to hotels.com, booking.com, you name it, it's covered in that shopping portal. All you have to do is on the website at the top, there's a drop down section. You select collect Avios points. It will take you to another screen. And from there, you select shopping. And then from shopping, all the outlets will appear and you can select whichever one you want to use. I use booking.com all the time. There's always an offer of 6 times Avios or 8 times Avios, maybe even 10 times Avios. Hotels.com is another great one. There's always 8 times Avios or 10 times Avios for every pound spent. So this is an absolute no-brainer. Rather than just going to the website to do your shopping, you can actually go through the British Airways portal, which will take you direct to that website. You shop as normal and you collect Avios points. Let me show you with this example.
So you've logged on to the British Airways website. On the left-hand side, under Discover, scroll across to Collecting Avios. And there you'll see all the different subheadings of collecting Avios. We'll focus on the shopping partners for the moment. And here, have a look. You can transfer your Nectar points, Heathrow reward points, Bicester Village. All of these places will earn Avios points. But let's click on the shopping portal. And on the left-hand side there, if you click shopping online, you'll see all the outlets where you can collect Avios points for every pound you spend. So rather than going to the outlets directly, you can collect a lot more Avios. Look at that. 30 out of 2,159 outlets are being displayed. So the list goes on and on and on. There are so many outlets where you can collect these Avios points. If you want to collect in store, as long as you've registered your card, a debit card or a credit card, you can go into any of these stores and collect Avios points just by using that particular card. And again, there's a whole host of outlets. You could use the search function at the top there. If we put in hotels, you might want to be making a hotel booking and it will display different hotels, hotels.com, Avios hotels, Thistle hotels, etc, etc. I use booking.com a lot. Let's have a look at that. So if you do select booking.com, it will take you to this particular page, 6 Avios for every pound spent at booking.com. Click shop now. And this will take you automatically to the booking.com website. You will go through as normal with your booking, except the cookies, because if you decline them, sometimes the Avios won't be posted. And once you're on the booking.com website, you just go ahead as normal and proceed with your booking. And your Avios will automatically be credited to your account. If we click on finance, taken to the finance page where the credit card is available, insurance is available, you can see all the comparison websites. Go Compare, moneysupermarket.com. Again, places where you can earn additional Avios that you just may not have known about. Avios credit cards. There you go, the British Airways American Express card. The one without the fee and the Premium Plus card, the one with the fee. I'll be making a separate video in a lot more detail about both of these cards because there's a lot of benefits, a lot to talk about. So I'll devote a separate video just about this specifically. If you have your own business, you can get the American Express Accelerating Business Card. Again, this will earn points. And all of these cards earn a companion voucher. Again, that's another video for another day because there's a lot of detail to go through. If we go back to collecting Avios one more time, you can collect Avios on flights, on holidays, on hotels, on car rental, credit cards we spoke about, shopping we spoke about, lifestyle and finance, let's click on that. And again, through American Express, through HSBC, through Revolut, the bank, you can collect Avios points. Link your Uber account for every taxi journey. If you get petrol from BP, link your BP rewards card. You can set up an ISA with Nutmeg or move some of your pension. If you want to do surveys, you'll collect Avios points just for doing surveys. If you open up a Barclays Premier account, you'll earn Barclays Avios rewards for £12 a month. You'll get 1,500 Avios points. Again, that works out at a really good deal. If you want the Barclays Avios credit card, there's a Barclays Avios Plus and just the standard Barclays Avios. The latter is free. The former, you have a £20 month fee. Again, I'll be covering this in more detail on a separate video.
And also you can earn Avios points by buying them. This is not for everyone. The rate that British Airways charge can be quite expensive, but if you really need to just top up your Avios balance because you have a flight to book and you don't have enough, this is a good way of getting those additional Avios points. You can buy Avios points, you can subscribe to Avios points, and you can boost your Avios points balance. Again, I'll make a short bite-sized video specifically about doing this and what's the best one to actually go for. So there you go, in a nutshell, different ways to earn Avios points, which you might not know about. Remember, it's not just about flying, which will earn you Avios points. You can use your credit card, you can use the British Airways shopping portal, and that Avios balance will keep ticking along nicely. That's what I did, and I managed to get a whole load of flights doing that. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. That will really help me out. Any questions whatsoever, please leave that down below in the comments, and I'll be happy to come back to you on that. Thanks for watching, and remember to enjoy the journey.